Hi guys, the Michael Jordan activity I want you to do in Google Classroom today. So I'm going to show you how to get to Google Classroom. You're going to click on G Suite for Education, and up here in the waffle you'll click on it and click Classroom. And as you can see, this particular student has multiple classrooms that they are assigned to. You'll hit the plus sign, and in order to join the 7th grade language arts, your code is P5FCU25. Now, Camden, I already have you joined, so the other kids, Jada, Adriana, Daniel, and Nick, you will have to join. And here is the 7th grade page. And then I will have in here lesson. Okay, so once you get into your Google Classroom, there's a couple of assignments that I took out so you weren't confused. This is the newest assignment. It says Michael Jordan activity. You're going to click on it. You'll come up here, click on your name, and you're going to open it with Kami. This program will allow you to actually type directly on to, let's see, onto the, onto the worksheet without editing the worksheet. So you'll type, yes, did the author support his or her claim with evidence from the text? Yes. And then it says, if yes, how do you text evidence? So you can come over here to drawing. Actually, no, that's the eraser. Markup, I'm sorry. And there is a highlighter, and you can choose whatever color you want and highlight within it. Once you get done with it, you will click Turn In up here at the where it says Save, and click Turn In. Okay. You should be able to turn it in. Once you click Turn In, it should give you an okay feedback. I use this particular student's account to turn in a worksheet already, so that might be the problem. But go ahead and click Turn In. And if you're having trouble with the Turn In button, please send me a text message and let me know. Good luck. You have my Google number. You can contact me through that. You have my Class Dojo. You can post a message at the bottom in the activity feed, and I'll be checking it throughout the day. All right, good luck, guys.